I'd forgotten. See, you know, I'm old. My memory's like that long.
So you really have to get
Yeah. They're up in there. Oh, there's Rosie. That's my favorite right there. That one's kind of a caramel color, and he's got a really pink nose. And I thought it was a girl, so
Where?
I named him Rosie. Found out it's a boy, so I'm going to have to call him Roosevelt, I guess. He is the prettiest little sweet thing. One day, one of my tours saw one of those little baby newborn right there, right beside the road. Now, it kind of bothered me because people coming off that hill. I was worried about getting hit, but he made it. Now, when little Stella, that giraffe, was born, the mother had her, that was the one we got to watch, but had her right over here on that hill. And we were real worried because she couldn't get up because she was on a hill. And every time she tried to get up, she'd fall back down. But finally, we sat there and watched and watched. Are y'all all right?
Yeah, we were just letting people go and reconnoitering.
All right. Y'all enjoy.